Hi children, now let's continue with the same problem. Here we have 21 by 4 divided by 3 by 4. When we have to divide two fractions, we will have 21 by 4 as it is, and the next fraction has to be changed into reciprocal. 3 by 4 reciprocal is 4 by 3, and this operation division will change into multiplication. So I can cancel this 1 4 is 4, again 1 4 is 4. Here this 3, 1 3 is 3, 7 3s are 21. So we have 7 into 1 7, 1 1s are 1. In denominator if I have 1, it means the whole number. So the answer is 7. Is it clear? Now next question is, divide 3 by 10 by, we have to divide here, isn't it? And of means into. So if you have numbers like this, you may get confused. So take and write like this 1 by 4 which you are used to. Then 3 by 5. So if I multiply this, what will I get? 1 3s are 3. Isn't it? 3 divided by 4 5s are 20. In the front, I have 3 by 10. So I write 3 by 10 as it is divided by. If it is going to be division, I have to write it as multiplication and write the reciprocal of the next answer. What is the answer I got for this? This is the answer. If I write the reciprocal, I will have 20 by 3. Now again cancel it. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 1 10 is 10, 2 10s are 20. So what is the answer? 2 is the answer. Now the next question. In a class of 40 students, 1 by 5 of the total number of students like to eat rice only. 2 by 5 of the total number of students like to eat chapati and chapati only. And the remaining students like to eat both chapati as well as rice. What fraction they have asked? What fraction? So I am going to work on fraction alone. I am not worried about the whole part. Even you can do it the other way also. Even that it is right. But let me talk about fraction alone. So we have 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 who eat rice alone, chapati alone. Isn't it? So we know about the fact, we know how much fraction of students eat chapati separately and rice separately. So it is 3 by 5. And there are few students left over. Isn't it? 3 by 5 of the total students, 40 students, 3 by 5 of 40 students eat rice alone or chapati alone. The remaining, how many are remaining now? Out of 5 parts, how many are remaining? 2 parts. So 2 by 5 is the number of students, I mean fraction of total number of students like to eat both. 2 by 5 is the answer. That's the another shortest way to find the answer. Another answer is 1 by 5 of 40. You will calculate like this. 1 by 5 of 40. You will say 1 5 is 5, 8 5s are 40. So 8 students like to eat rice only. Again similarly you will find 2 by 5 of 40. You will cancel and you will say 8 2s are 16. 16 students like to eat chapati alone. This add it up and you will get one answer. Subtract it from 40, then write it as fraction. Even then you will get the same answer. Is it clear, my dear children? If they ask you how many number of students like to eat, you have to go by this method. But here our question is what fraction? So I dealt only with the fractions. I didn't touch the whole part. It means 40 students means one whole class, 1. So 1 minus 3 by 5 is 2 by 5. So the answer is 1 minus 3 by 5. Here we got no, I can write 1 minus 3 by 5 which is equal to 2 by 5. Got the answer? Now the next question is, Maddie reads 3/5 of 75 pages of his lesson. 3/5. So 3 by 5 of 75. So into 75 of his lesson. How many more pages he need to complete the lessons? Out of 75 pages, she has completed some pages alone. How many pages she has completed? Cancel it now. 1 5 is 5. 2 carry. So 5 5s are 25. If I multiply 15 into 3, I get 45 pages. She has read 45 pages. But I am asking you how many more pages? Many of you wrote the answer as 45. Again, you didn't read the question properly. My question is, how many more pages she has to need to read to complete the lesson? How many pages more she has to read? So 75 minus 45 is 30. So she has to read 30 more pages. Now here is again, we have collection of data. Following data shows the weekly wages of 10 workers. How many workers? 10. See, then you will have data 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the range? So what is range? L minus S. Which is the largest value? Check. 4750 is the largest value. Which is the smallest value? Look at the data and find. Yes, it is 3500. If I subtract these two, I get 1250. Is it clear? Now the next question is, a card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is a black card. How many black cards are there? 26 black cards are there. 13 claver and 13 spade. Okay, 13 plus 13, 26. So 26 by 52. How to cancel this? 1 26 are 26, 2 26 are 52. So the probability is 1 by 2. Next question is, in a data of 10 numbers arranged in increasing order. See, there are 10 numbers. I am having 10 datas. If the 7th entry is increased, 7th entry alone I am increasing, and that 10 numbers are already arranged. By how much does the median increase? I repeat the question. In a data, 10 numbers are arranged in increasing order. If the 7th entry alone is increased by 4, by how much does the median increase? In a collection of 10 datas, which will be the middle data? 5 and 6. But I have changed the number in 7th entry. Will it bother the median? Will there be any change in the median? No. So 0 is the answer. Is it clear? Again, this is a very tricky question for you. Many of you went wrong here. I am touching over, I am disturbing 7th entry. But it has no role to play in median, because median is the middle entry, which is nothing but 5th and 6th data, not 7th data. Whatever may be the 7th data, I am not bothered. I need only 5th and 6th data. So the change is 0. Nothing is going to change. Now it is not going to increase by any number. Okay. Now the next question for you is from the 23rd. Let's start. Find, here is the marks obtained by 40 students. Find how many students have marks equal to or more than 70. You have to just count 70 and more than 70. 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All others are less than 70. So 12 is the right answer. Next question. The height of 10 students measured in centimeter are as follows. Again, find the median. Find the median itself, you have to arrange the data. See, I have arranged the data. And if I find how many data are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will have middle 2 data because we have even number of data. If I have 2 middle data, I have to add these 2. What will I get? 284. And I have to divide it by 2. If I divide it by 2, what will I get? 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So 142 centimeter is the answer. Now next question. A sport fan decided to examine the pattern of medals won by certain countries at several Olympic Games. How many medals did Australia win more? How many medals did Australia win more in 2000 than in 1996? Australia alone I have to see. I am not bothered about Brazil and Italy. How much more is there in 1996. This is 1996 and this is 2000. Here 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 medals is the difference between 1996 and 2000. Next question is, the table shows the average rainfall during 5 months. What is the mean rainfall? Mean means we have to add it up and divide by 5. 5, 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 23. So 3 you will have to carry 3, 4, 5, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4, 21. And if I divide 2, 1, 3 by 5, I get 4 5s are 20, carry 1, 2 4s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4 carry. Again, if you cancel, you will get 42.6. Is it clear? Okay, now next question is, according to the bar chart, how many students together like mango and chocolate flavor ice cream? How many students together like mango and chocolates? Like, so which color says like? Green color. I am asking about mango and chocolate. This is mango like and this is chocolate likes. What is this? Here 15 and here we have 25. Together means you have to add. So 15 plus 25 you get 40. Again here you made mistake without understanding the graph how it is given. And this is not about this is mango and this is chocolate. This green represents how many students like and this is how many students don't like chocolate. Okay. Next question is, from the following table find the mean production. Again you have to add all the numbers that is under this and divide it by 5 and you will get 4220 because here time is short very. So you have to calculate it in rough note and find the answer, my dear children. If you couldn't add and divide, call me or message me, I will help you. Okay. Next question is, which number expression shows the difference in growth height between the sunflower and daylily? Sunflower and daylily. Okay. Which number expression? Actually in their expression were like this: 4 minus 2, 4 plus 2, 3 minus 2 and 3 plus 2. Here this sunflower has 4. This 4. Isn't it? Up to this. This is sun. Then here we have daylily up to 2. So this is 4 minus 2. We will subtract to find the difference. Isn't it? So the difference in the sense we subtract. So we have 4 minus 2. Next question is, a car travels this. How much distance will it travel in 1 hour? For 6 hours, this much. For 1 hour, we have to divide by 6. So if I divide by 6, 6 6 are 36. Again 1 6 are 6. Dot carry 1. 3 6 are 18. So what is the answer? 61.3 kilometer. Find the cost of 47.2 meter if the cost of 1 meter is this. 1 meter is 33 rupees 90 paise. So 47.2 meters multiply and you will get the answer. You have to multiply. Forget the decimal point. Place multiply, then place the decimal point. Okay, here Kati had a rope 63.45 meters. She cut the rope into 2 pieces. One length is, if the length of one piece is 23.509, what was the length of the other piece? Here many of you made a mistake in writing the numbers properly before subtracting. You have to add 1 0 to make it into like decimal. Then you have to subtract. So you will cancel this as and it will become 10 because 63.450 is a bigger number than 23.509. You will have 10 less 9. Here it will become 4. 4 less 0 is 4. Then 4 less 5 will not happen. So you will borrow it and it will become 14. Likewise, you will subtract and get the answer as 39.941. Last question is, you have to, in Dolores bought 15 party hats. Each is 0.75. So multiply, you get 11.25. And 15 noise makers, 15 into 1.25, you get 18.75. So the answer is 30. Okay children, today you have to work out all these problems in your homework note. Thank you. Take care and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.